Welcome to More Simple, Less Stupid, where we get straight to the point and I fill you in on some of this stuff. Whatever that the subject is for the video I put up, since I don't really post that much. So in this video, apparently most people don't know what Fiverr is. Fiverr. Fiverr. So I'm going to tell you what it is. I'm going to tell you how to use it. And I'm going to tell you what you could potentially use it for. Okay? Okay, folks, bear with me. I have a semi-old computer, Lenovo. I ain't got no fancy equipment because I'm broke. So, blank tab. Fiverr.com. Boom, shakalaka. And here we go. Fiverr. Or if you don't have a laptop, you could just download the app on your phone. Usually that's what I do. That's how I started when I was using Fiverr. It just makes it more simple and easier, especially when you don't, when you're living kind of a busy lifestyle, or if you just work so much you can't really get a chance to sit down. So if you're like on your break at work or just out and about or just doing whatever, just download the app. It's easier. So Fiverr is an online digital website for freelance services. Whether you are looking to make use of said services or if you are trying to offer said services, this is the place to be. I personally have bought from Fiverr and I have made money off of Fiverr. It is most definitely legit and it works on both ends. Note, there are scammers on there, but if you just check out the reviews, usually you can avoid them. So if you see like legitimate people commenting different feedback, rating 5 stars, going in depth on detail as far as how good the services they got from whatever it is you're searching for was, that's how you authenticate it. It's helped me a lot. You can pretty much type anything in that search bar and it'll more than likely have it, especially with the new AI stuff going on. So if I type in something like make me a logo, it'll pull up all types of different people at the bottom. And the way I look at the reviews, this guy's apparently the top seller right here. Or if you just want to give somebody else a chance, they've done over 1,000 videos. Way more than the top selling guy over there. So I'm gonna click on them. Boom, pulled them up. Slide down. Reviews, here we go. It's in a tab. Hold on, it's in a tab right here. Reviews. He's been reviewed over god dang near 4,000 times, and people are going in depth. Well worth every cent. Guys from Canada, this guy's from United Kingdom, this guy's from United States. He looks pretty legit to me, and he's only $15. Shoot, I might do it for $15. If you guys already noticed, I'm a buyer right now. I can choose to be a buyer, or if you set your profile up right, you can choose to be a seller. That's up to you, but I'm not going to go into detail on that unless you ask for it. Phone was about to die. So yeah, if you have a skill, a digital skill, jump online and see if you can make some money off of the Fiverr website when you use your profile. Signing up on there is free, so it's free to be a seller. The only time they take any money from you is probably like, let's say if I charge a service to react to a video or something, a music video, and I make a sale, they might take like $3 out of $30 or something like that. But yeah, that's the only time they would take money. But if you don't have any skill and you're looking to use somebody else's skills, then just hop on there and type in literally any and everything under the sun. More than likely, they're going to have it. So I hope this video was helpful. We're going to keep this short and sweet. And if you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section below, and maybe I'll do a video on it. Y'all have a good one. Peace.